Dear friends, welcome to Bhakti Mallika channel. Today, let us learn about the divine Sankatnashan Ganapati Stotra. This sacred hymn is taken from the Narad Puran, where sage Narada explains the powerful benefits of worshipping Lord Ganapati, the beloved Hindu deity revered as the remover of obstacles and the bringer of good fortune. Chanting this stotra with devotion helps to eliminate all problems, fears, and obstacles from the life. It brings prosperity, success, dispels negativity, and invites positive energy. It also promotes inner peace and supports spiritual growth. You can recite this stotra daily as part of your prayers or before beginning of a new venture or project, or during difficult times or on auspicious occasions. Come friends, let us chant this mantra. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Narada Uvacha. Pranamya Shirasa Devam Gauriputram Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smaren Nityam Ayushkamartha Siddhaye Prathamam Vakratundancha Ekadantam Vidiyakam Tritiyam Krishna Pingaksham Gajavakram Chaturthakam Lambodaram Panchamam cha Shashtam Vikatameva cha Saptamam Vignarajan cha Dhumravarnam Tathashtamam Navamam Bhalachandran cha Dashamam to Vidayakam Ekadasham Ganapatim Dvadashantu Gajananam Dvadashaitani Namani Trisandhyaya Patenara Nacha Vigna Bhayam Tasya Sarvasiddhi Karam Param Vidyarthi Labhate Vidyam Dhanarthi Labhate Dhanam Putrarthi Labhate Putran Moksharthi Labhate Gatim Japet Ganapati Stotram Shadbhirmase Phalam Labhet Samvatsarena Siddhincha Labhate Natra Samshayah Ashtabhyo Brahmanebhaischa Likhitva Samarpayet Tasya Vidya Bhave Sarva Ganeshasya Prasadatah इति श्री नारद पुराणे संकटनाशनम नाम गणेश स्तोत्रम संपूर्णम. Thank you friends. Let us meet with one more new mantra. Sarve jano sukhino bhavantu. Namaste.